Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're back, baby. It's Friday. It's FBoy Friday. It's your favorite channel where we break down everything crypto for you live. And while we do so, you guys get to pick the trade. That's right, the home of the Viewers Pick the Trade channel. Awesome to be back, guys. Shout out to our sponsors, Fairdesk and Femex. Sign up with them. Links in the video description below. Top tier exchanges. I use them both personally. I'll be showing you my trades in just a little bit here. Today we have, at least to my heart, a very special episode. Some of our favorite coins, some of my favorite coins, having quite the day. Bitcoin experiencing some interesting moves. We're going to pick up where we left off. Let me pull up the top gainers. What you can do for us. I'm just warming up, guys. I'm a little groggy, but we're going to get into it. What you can do for me today, smash that like button, subscribe. I want to see new subscribers. I want to see 420 likes. I want to see everybody getting hype because we finally have a little bit of green in our sea of red. And wow, holy smokers, wow. Let's take a peek here at the top gainers in the last 24 hours. ZEC, which I think has something to do with Bcash. I don't know. So I'm going to mostly ignore it today. Mostly because its market cap is small. But Bcash, Bitcoin Cash up 33% today. Litecoin up 29.8% today. We have Flex up 21. Maker up 18. Bitcoin BSV, we'll say 14%, Ethereum Classic 13.9, Solana 10, Dash, Optimism, Curve DAO, AAVE. We've got some explosive moves to check out today. In the last hour, Litecoin up over $110, 12.5% gain. Oh, my heart. My heart. Is anything down today? Stacks. What's interesting here, not a lot down today, but what I do notice is many of the coins that we saw over the last week or two now pulling back, like Stacks. We see Casper, I believe Toncoin. Those are really the only ones I can name off the top of my head. Not much to read into. So much to do. So much time. Happy FBoy Friday, fam. It's good to be back. If you're here today, put something in chat. Let us know that you're here. Let us know you're here while we warm up. Smash the like button, says Mike Studio 388. Sup, Crowny from Montreal. You guys, stop having your forest catch on fire, please. I know it's not your fault, bro. Coins Chick, the beautiful Coins Chick, is here. Gotta love Coins Chick. Where to start? Let's start with the corn, right? Let's start with the corn, and let's see kind of what's going on here. So I want to bring something up today. 6 hours. 6 hours to go, and we have a rather important close. You only get 2 of these a year. The 6-month candle coming to a close in 6 hours, 36 minutes. Currently, price is around 30.7 thousand, and it does look, in my opinion, to be staying here into this quarterly and half-yearly close. Huge amounts of expirations going on today. We have the quadruple witching of Bitcoin expirations. We have the monthly close, and these are all in 6.5 hours. The quarterly close. We have the half-year close. I want to say we probably... No, we don't have a 2-year... Not a 2-month close, right? No. Oh, and a 2-month close. 2-month close. 1-month close. 6-month close. We are halfway through 2023, and let's recap here quick. What a year it's been. January and February, Bitcoin put in a 40% gain. March, April, 26%. And now with 6 hours and a half to go, looking like a meager 4 or 5%. Potentially, maybe a little momentum loss there. That's possible. That's possible. Market Cipher B, actually, that's a pretty fancy 2-month. We see VWAP and momentum coming up. Didn't even notice that. But the 6-month, this is what draws my eye. We are closing in a solid bullish engulfed candle. Can't ask for much more. I'm going to clear this chart. There we go. Now the viewers are climbing. Guys, keep the engagement going. Chat, I'm going to put up a poll. We'll do this. Our first trade. Long or short, baby? Long, short. There we go. Throwing that up there. We'll just get back to it when it has enough votes. Let's clear this. Let's go to the 6-month. We're not going to spend forever on the corn today because my babies are running. They're finally growing up. And it's quite a feeling. It's quite a feeling. On the half-year candle, closing in 6.5 hours, we see Solid open at 16.5. Beautiful. The close now roughly going to be 30.7, I believe, above us for our January 22 close and open 46.2. If we do see upside price action into the end of this year, that's going to be the target I'm looking at. Nothing has changed. If you've been following this channel since January, I've been saying I'm looking for 48K this year. I don't know when we'll get there. I thought it was earlier, but I'm still in that mindset. And looking at the 6-month candle, it's looking pretty good. I think if we go back to 2019 and we say, hey, if we're in the same thing, let's look at that. Sure, we did have a bullish engulfing candle, and I will admit that bullish engulf on the 6-month did not bring us anywhere. However, one thing it did do, and this is why I'm looking for that 46, 48K level, is while it didn't continue rallying into the end of the year, it did come back and it tapped that equivalent level. So let's just really quick compare the two. There it is. There it is. We saw price tap that level, so perhaps in this quarter or this 6-month coming up, we see a move to 46.2. I think that would be in alignment with what I've been looking for. Let's go to this monthly here. Our moving average is the 200 weekly. We did see a lower low off this month, which is now looking to close strong. Good stuff. Good stuff. Above 29.2. We've talked about that number before. We have a bullish engulf on the monthly. I will take it, especially coming off that lower low of the month. That, I would say, in traditional TA would be considered more bearish. You broke your low, blah, blah, blah. However, in Bitcoin, I mean, let's just look at this year. This seems to be the pattern. In March, we had a lower low on the month. We moved up. Here we go. In June, we have a lower low on the month. We moved up. So this price action, very similar, very uniform throughout the year. It has been characterized, as we speculated before, with moves up and kind of boring moves that pull back and eventually make a kind of boring move up again. My speculation on this is essentially, if we look at fear and greed, we've seen that remain very steady. Unusual for Bitcoin. Fear and greed is usually very volatile. We've seen long periods of what I'll say is neutral. I've never really seen that before. And the game theory behind this is the market makers, the whales, the invisible hand of the markets, whatever you want to call it, are pushing price up without whipping up FOMO. And I've been saying forever now that that's exactly what we want off of a low, off of the bottom, if the bottom's in, which I believe it is. That's exactly what we want. What happened back here in 2019? We got really overheated. This was a 350% move off the bottom, and FOMO energy could not have been higher. It really got whipped up here. And you can see after that, we spent a long time returning to our lows, finally to break our highs again. But this energy, this momentum, this enthusiasm, this sentiment, in my opinion, is what caused that to be the top. In my opinion, right now, if we continue this slow climb that we have been watching for, meaning maybe we see a move up, let's call it randomly like 38, and then we pull back down and play this same kind of 2-3 month sideways game, this will be a really healthy climb. What this is doing is, at the end of last year, tax loss harvesting / paper hand / retail, whatever, sold Bitcoin expecting 10K or lower. Everyone was saying 10K or lower. Even on this channel, we said, man, it's definitely possible. We're down there, 15.5, not really a macro support, no real reason to bounce here. 10K could be on the cards, on the table, in the cards, whatever. That money definitely was a little tempted on the move up, but we had the 200 weekly moving average above us, and this was pretty much the major resistance. This was where longs should have been very hesitant. Very hesitant, very dangerous spot, right below 200 to long. Money still trapped out, waiting for lower on that pullback, moved higher to 32 in this month. With our pullback here, sentiment really hasn't gotten that bullish. Now, we are always bullish. We have been bullish since this channel started. We were bullish back in 2019. We were bullish in 21, 22. We're bullish here in 23. That's not going to change. But what we're seeing is, without that, I'll say, capitulation to the upside, that euphoria, that frenzy of energy coming in, we aren't seeing that really large, exaggerated rally. We're not seeing that sentiment top out. What we're seeing here is a slow, brutal climb, which is actually really fitting for how 22's bear market was. But that's keeping the money out. That's keeping people who were sidelined. without that really big move. If we do get a really big move to the upside into the end of this year, and say we move up into 48s, if it's quick, I'm going to be hesitant. I'm going to probably be looking for a short, as sentiment likely to boil up. This has been our theory for months now, is 4850K. No one's going to be talking about Bitcoin now, but around 4850 is when they're really going to catch on, when they're going to say, holy F, I have to get back in. And hopefully that comes slowly, because if it comes quickly, I do believe that that will be the early top, and we'll probably see a retracement like we did in 19. Not really what we want, but the slow climb, this is healthy. This is how you sneak into a bull market under the radar. That's what we want. We want to sneak up. All right. I'm excited, fam. I'm excited. I don't know what's up with the stream. We only have 300 viewers. That's very low. Is there something wrong with the stream? Anyone notice? Grabbing breakfast. Grab breakfast. Buckle up. Always keep your seatbelt on and your arms and legs inside the vehicle at all time. We're about to look at Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash. Don't you worry, fam. Keep smashing the likes if you could. Share this stream out. I don't know why the viewership's so low. This is spicy. I mean, I guess not a lot of people care about Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe that's what it is. I mean, I care. Some of you care. I didn't everyone know. Just gonna ping everyone in the Discord again. See if we can get a few more chaps in here. A little bit more of the fam. The more you like, subscribe, share, chat, vote in the poll, the more YouTube will show this stream to new people. So please, please do your part. Get the likes in, get the engagement in, keep chatting, keep the energy flowing. I'm going to pull up some of my trades. We're going to take a look at the coins that are running here. I think I did get stopped out of all my shorts almost. All right, I got my trades pulled up. Almost done. This gives you a minute. Gives you just a second to do your part. Help out the stream. Okay, let me log in. Let me log in. There we go. Stupid login codes. Can't say it out loud or else maybe I'll steal my accounts. There we go. All right, I'm logged into the trades. We're going to take a peek at those probably after. We'll take a peek at those after. Let's see. There we go. Yep. Stopped out of those shorts. Okay. We'll take it really quick. So I did get stopped out of my short. It was a beautiful position. I got stopped out. I'm probably not going to look to take that short now, though. At 32, I might just close up some of my long. I'll decide while we're live. We'll do a little more thinking. Other positions. I do have some of the shorts still open, unfortunately. RIP. We had a good amount more, but those did get stopped at, what, 31.3 and 30.7 respectively, and those are off the table, so I'm almost all long now. One more. I do have other trades open somewhere, but these are the major ones. And of course, the long from 16.5 still healthily open, still at 500%. We're going to open some more of these today with your help. So far, 75% long with 131 votes. 25% short. All right, we'll give that a little bit more. We have 350 watching. I'd like to see those numbers get up into the 1,000 mark today because it's spicy. But we're gonna get some more votes. All right, let's look into some other things. Family. You sold your silver stash. What's up, Roger Smiths? Let's see. Actually, let's see who's here. I'm gonna load up a new chart for the Litecoin. We're gonna load up a new chart for the Bitcoin Cash. It's been so long. I'll just ramble here for a minute. There's a large Litecoin community out there, whether you believe it or not. There is. And they definitely don't love that I don't speak about Litecoin all the time. But the reason, I've always want to, but the reason is we haven't had much to talk about. When there's things to talk about, I talk about it. When there isn't, I don't. And today there definitely is. So we have to take a look at this chart. Litecoin, guys, is one of my biggest bags, one of my longest held bags, one of my heaviest bags. But you guys know that that's not a secret. And today it's finally making Papa proud here. Finally making Papa proud. Just pulling up the yearly candles here, and we see a pretty clear path looking at just the yearly candles, very similar to Bitcoin. Looking for that yearly close of 22, $146. So just looking at the yearly, I think that's an approximation of where I'd be looking for this. I know there's other levels here, but 146, just under 150 is the yearly. Let's go down to the 6 month as it's closing. Look at this consolidation. This looks like a chart that's only a few days old or something. This goes back to 2016. This is not the full history. This is just Coinbase. And 2016 on Coinbase, Litecoin traded at $3.26. It rallied to 420, blaze it, 420. Pulled back to about $21 and has then spent its time ranging between 420 and I'll say about $50. You can call this weakness. I can't really argue against that, but I'd also say if you're going to call it weakness, which is fair, you have to also look at the strength here. Lows have been held. They've been respected. That's really all we've been looking for on this climb. And it does look like it is paying out right now. Oh, it's come down a little bit. Now trading at 108.70. We're going to go down into the month here, though. There we go. There we go. Beautiful little backtest in this monthly of $70. Bounced off. Let's get our fib tool out. Should we use it from here or from here? I'll use it from here for now. 146 right here. Also the 618 retracement from our $302 to $40 low. The golden pocketto sitting right at our yearly. Not a bad sign. My phone is vibrating. It's probably more alerts. Yes, it is. Holy shit, fam. Today is a spicy, spicy day. Wow, stocks breaking out too. We got to pull up the SPX really quick here. We will get to the corns, the light corns, and the cash corns. S&P 500 putting in a higher high for the year as well, 4,450. Not a lot there until 4,600, but we'll look at that more later. I'm gonna put another alert though. Got to stay on top of my alerts. It's good alert hygiene. All right. Monthly money flow and VWAP and momentum moving up on the monthly here for Litecoin into this close. I love to see it. I love to see it. You gotta love to see it. Let's put on Ichimoku Cloud. Ichimoku Cloud actually looking a little higher, maybe 227 here with this cloud. We do see some weakness, but we do see a relatively flat top cloud up there. That's not bad. Let's get rid of our lagging line. It's too busy. There we are. There we are. What about the 200 week? Let's throw that on there too. Moving average simple, I guess. I don't know. They keep changing up all that. All these moving average settings. They keep changing them up. 200 week. Let's throw that on there. 200 week actually just being reclaimed now. As we zoom in, we'll be able to see this a little better. Can't really see it quite yet. But just being reclaimed here after rejecting twice. So that was in February and April. From the 200 weekly, now back above it, looking strong into this close. Litecoin going to be looking for a close over 100 today. Wow, that's pretty fancy. Just 100 flat, basically. 200 weekly. Let's effing go. Let's throw it on there. That is where I'm looking to close today for this month, 2 month, 6 month, etc. Even daily candle. Zooming in. Let's go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's see. MACD, we do see momentum peaking into the positive. Here we go. Now we got 550 viewers. Keep the hype going, fam. Keep it going. It's working. You can see it working in real time. Coming off bullish divergence on its weekly low. Not a lot of issues here potentially with bearish divergence, except for we do see right here RSI needs to move higher, and to me that suggests that Litecoin needs to push even higher than 110 today. Well, not today. I'd say in this week. Gonna look for an even higher close because we don't want a lower RSI on a higher high in price. That is bearish divergence and a pretty gnarly signal that the market is likely, at least locally, topping out. Market Cipher B looking great on the week as well as the month here. Higher VWAP high, momentum up. Money flow hitting a higher high on the week. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. You can't, I don't know, I'm gonna cry maybe. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Still holding on to 28% today. Nuts. No bearish divergence on the day. It seems we could be using this high, but it looks a little far back to be using. No issues locally. Momentum on MACD pulling a sneaky here with this momentum out of nowhere. I love it. Love it, man. Above that 200. It is glorious. I'm excited because I've held Litecoin forever. I do want to do the responsible thing here today and say, guys, I may be excited, but that does not mean that you should impact your trading plan or impact your trades at all. Me being excited is simply because I've spent years being not so excited and ridiculed over Litecoin. This does not mean go all in. This does not mean a bajillion X leverage, etc. If you are interested in Litecoin, it is my second largest bag after Bitcoin. I clearly have some belief in it, but you have to have some belief in it to make this work. I think that there is going to be an opportunity at 100. Likely going to see 100. So market ordering into the top of a big green candle, what do we say? That's almost never a good idea. Same with market ordering a sell into a long red candle, not a great idea. Please be smart, fam. Don't get yourselves wrecked over my excitement. Wow, daily cloud so tight. It's at that 0.5, 618. Let's throw up a little box here. It's like 140 to 142. Looking very, very nice there for Litecoin. Maybe. Let's see if there's an extension here that works. Yeah, 1618. All right, that's not bad. Its previous high from February of this year was at 105.69. It's traded significantly higher than that. Using our Fibonacci extension tool, our 1618 target right there at the yearly open, at the 618 retracement, and 1618 at... Jesus, more alerts. Holy moly, fam, this is like the spiciest day of streaming. I don't know why. Oh, there we go. Now we got like 700. We're making our way to 1,000 viewers. We're making our way. This is like the spiciest day in crypto we've had in a long time, so that makes sense. That makes sense. Not a lot of people chatting, it seems. That's odd. That's odd. If you're here and just lurking, that's fine, but put something in chat. Give us a little hello. How do you do? We were actually late. Ethereum just gave me an alert. We'll get back to Ethereum for a second, or in a minute. We want to finish up Litecoin. We were looking for more of a retracement back to 1,670, but Ethereum actually holding on here, testing 1,900 for multiple days, now pushing higher. Let's take a look at Market Cipher B. Market Cipher, one of my favorite tools here in trading. Not quite as bullish as Litecoin, but not terrible. Not terrible on the day. Just want to see this week quick. All right, coming up on the week too. Actually, that could shape up. That could definitely shape up. Let's add an alert to Ethereum, and we'll get back to the Litecoin. Let's see what this looks like on real low time frames. Keep voting in that poll, by the way, guys. We will be taking live trades here, and you're going to choose them, just like you've chosen them every Friday. Little issues here on lower time frames. Higher high in price, no higher high on our oscillator, or at least our RSI. MACD saying you're good. What's up, Gear? Let's see who's here. And pop out this chat. What up? 200 votes. We need more votes. We need like 500. What's up, Angelia? NGO, how you doing, darling? CPL, Supa, Maku. Coins Chick, I love Coins Chick. She's my favorite. Vermilion Caliber, keep growing. Thank you. We did hit 1 million on that tweet, by the way, fam. Thanks to you guys. We hit 1 million. My first tweet ever to get 1 million views. Let's show you this. This shows you how crappy Twitter is, by the way. 1 million views, 86 followers, 186,000 engagements, 86 followers. Twitter conversion is absolute garbage. But follow me on Twitter. That's right. Well done. I'm very proud of that. It's our second million ever. We got 1 million on TikTok, then we got 1 million on Twitter. Big deal. Lurkin, what's up, Tease Dean? Craig Tennessee, my man's here. What's up, George Manriquez? 420 Bud Monster. We got to get 420 likes today, guys, for Bud Monster. Just for Bud Monster. We can do it. I believe. It's so spicy. Jonah Plainclothes, of course, every day. I love you, friend. Monkey, love you, my friend. Everybody, the Discord has had a great community chat. Lots of good vibes there lately. You definitely should join. I never shill the Discord anymore. Lots of talk there. It's been very active. I think you guys, if you're looking for a community of like-minded people that are chilling, all different ideas are welcome. Join the Discord. You'll also get Bitcoin airdrop to you after every live stream. I make you all holders. It's the best way to keep up with our streams, etc. It's just great. Join. What's up, Digital Error? Sean LDB. Moggy's here. Loading Names here. Studio's here. Renee Silva's here. Alex Wells is here. FUD Experts here. What's up, Joe? Cryptogenic Dude. Who else is here? Gary C. Boss said blaze it. When in Rome, my friend. When in Rome. Adam Buzzard, my man. Andre Faria. Who else is here? Arcadi Silverman, Average Joe, Baja Crypto, BGT 44 BGT, Big Tuna. What's up, Big Tuna? Billy's Bullish, Cherry City Bullies, Chidori, Senpai Gaming TV. I love Naruto. What's up, Cody CPL, Amis Ruboveski, Erwin Vaughn's Dare Saman, Jack Crypto with the Market Cipher logo. What's up, man? Gear, J. Marie Salera, Jerry M27, George Manriquez, Josh Sanders, Juan, Kick Drum, Lazarus Hand, Mad Cow, Nate, my boy Nate, Oliver, Random Positive Flow, Rigoberto Gonzalez, Sylv, Shrink Tech, what's up, bro? Sock Insanity, Stefan Frey, Stony, Sapa Maku, T-Bone, Pickle, of course. You know the one, Up and Run, Vermilion Caliber. Who did I miss? Bavahid. Awesome. Good to see so many great names, guys. Interact with the stream. Please like, subscribe. Did we get a new subscriber? We did have one subscriber today. We need more. Crypto Lucen. Don't like Crypto Lucen. Be the only new subscriber. Join now. All right. How you guys feeling? It's a spicy day. By the way, we also are the home of spicy. It's interesting that somehow people stole that as well. What's with the swinging viewers? I have not a clue, my friend. What is with the swinging viewers? Yeah, we had 700. Now it says 400. What the fudge? I have no idea. Maybe people didn't like the shoutouts. I don't care, baby. Viewership numbers might be going down today, but my portfolio is so green. I don't care. What up, Sheriff-oo? 85, yo. Thanks for the 26, man. Bitcoin dominance. We're not even there yet. We're finishing up Litecoin. We gotta look at Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin dominance, yes. Plummeting from yesterday's yearly high. It is hella spicy today. YouTube being YouTube, that's almost certainly it. Certainly. All right, really low time frames here on Litecoin. Do see a little slowdown in this rally, unfortunately. Little bit. Let me real quick go through. Ooh, 45-minute. And hourly, not bad. Really low time frames, definitely showing a little chill. But then as we get out into maybe 45-minute, hour, 2 hour, starting to see some goodies. We see money flow actually just approaching and crossing over into green. Momentum and VWAP are on the right side of the trade. That's what you want to see. 6 hour, nice. 6 hour is, I'm feeling it's going to be juicy on Bitcoin as well. 6 hour putting in the work here. Really putting in the work here. Nice. Money flow hitting higher highs. What about the 12? Beautiful 12-hour candle. Holy shit. The last 12-hour candle closed at the 200 weekly. This one traded down to $89 before moving up to $111. It's a 25% swing in just 12 hours. I like it. Daily is just potentially so gorgeous. I love it. Let's see. So, little weakness on the lower time frames. That's okay. That is expected, even, perhaps. All right, let's actually look at this. This is pretty gorgeous. 89.27 up to our high of 111.16. Our 0.5 retrace sitting right at that $100 level, right at the 200 weekly moving average. This is not a bad trade. In my opinion, not a bad trade here. Stop loss going to be somewhat tricky. Let's see. That gives us almost a 3-to-1. I'll take a 2-to-1. I still don't love that. I don't love that. I really want to take it low. That's why you got to love these low swings into rallies. It really messes up any potential risk to reward. It makes it a lot harder to make a well-calculated trade. I'm really thinking under 97. This is where I want to get out. It's a 618 retracement here. It's the resistance that I broke through. That's likely to be support. But man, with something like this and this explosive move, you really could see price just do something like that. Just come in, wick it out, take stops, bait and shorts, and continue higher like that. That is too clean. That's too clean. Let's see. I'm gonna make this a little easier. Maybe 20%. There we go. 32. I'll make this a little easier. I could definitely see something like this for those of you that have no patience. I'm sure there's a play here as well. I don't really like this 105.69. I wouldn't play this one. Let's do something like this. 3.2. I don't like this trade. Is there a way to put a text on these? Nah. I wonder, right? Like, I wouldn't take this one. But that's probably if you're impatient. I love it. I love it, fam. Cortana. Facts. What did Coins Chick say? We'll have to get her on the show sometime. You're looking for entry on Pepe. Is it too late? We could get to Pepe. We're going to get to Sol. Here we go for Litecoin for right now. I'm going to put on new alerts. I'm going to put on new alerts, and then we're going to switch over because I don't want to be on one coin for too long today. There's too much going on. There's simply too much spice. Too much spice today. Now we have 400. I don't understand YouTube, man. What even happened? What even happened there? It says I'm lagging, but I don't think that's it. Look at this viewership. Look at this viewership chart. You hit a high, we hit a low, we hit a higher high, now low, higher low. What the fudge? I've never seen that. You guys are doing great though. Just keep smashing the likes and subscribes and sharing, and that's all you need to do. That's all you need to do, and it'll keep going. Actually, I do need to look at LTC BTC. We're not going to go as in depth with this, but we do need to look at the Bitcoin pairs today because we're going to get next to Bitcoin dominance. We're going to go to Bitcoin dominance next, and this is really going to be the telling sign. These are the forgotten old world magics of crypto, I feel. 6-month candle, not the beautifulest on Litecoin against Bitcoin or LTC BTC, but what I do like is the 6-month came down, tapped last month's open. So basically the fair value gap created on this giant rally in Q1 tapped, filled, and I would really, really like to see it move up higher around 0.004. That's going to be the ultimate bullishness signal, but it's not quite there. Zooming into the month, we do have that lower low. No, not that. Oh, no, not that. There we are. Whew. It's all right. 618 looking for just under 0.004. Not bad. Do have a higher high and a higher low this month. That's crazy volatility. This week, trading above what looks like multiple weeks of resistance here, 0.0347. 2 days and 7 hours to close on the week. That would be a beautiful close above that level. That would really, really put that 0.42 into sights. We just need to see that weekly close. Let's go to the day quick. Man, that is explosive. Kind of looks like Bitcoin dominance, actually. That's weird. Like Bitcoin dominance on like the weekly with like this range, slightly lower tap, and then a move up. Slightly lower. Money flow rolling over on the day. All right, LTC BTC looks good too. Really want to see this strong close on the week and on the day today. We'll get back to Litecoin, but we're gonna get into the Bcash. Don't call it Bcash. Bcash or dominance. Let's go to dominance really quick. Actually, we did Bitcoin. We didn't look at dominance too much. Well, we didn't look at it at all. We're just really quick going to touch on it because this, in my opinion, is what is moving everything today. Basically, to my knowledge, BlackRock's ETF or whatever was denied today, or the SEC made some comment about it. I don't know. Who cares? But what we were seeing, in my opinion, though this is probably just part of the cycle, is a lot of speculation into Bitcoin off of that BlackRock news. Dominance really moved up for the first time in 2 years. It did hit a high yesterday at 52 before pulling back on the BlackRock not happening news, I believe. You can fact check me. This is just what I saw like secondhand. I don't know the details yet. I don't really care, but we'll look into it. Dominance pulled back from the high. I don't really see this that bad though. It's interesting that it really pulled back to a red candle this week in just one day, right? But still hitting a higher high. Not a lot of concern there. Dominance does look like it wants to keep moving up. Let's put this day. That is a pretty gnarly day, isn't it? Where is... Oh, this bug again. Oh, well. Let's just put like RSI on it. No real bearish divergence, but you are looking to paint some bullish divergence. Now, Bitcoin dominance is not directly traded, so it's up to you if you think that indicators, oscillators matter. I think that they do. I think they do. But it's up to you. Oh, we have another subscriber, Raid Zero TV. I missed it, man. Welcome to the fam, Raid Zero TV. It's not playing sounds. I don't know why it's not playing sounds, so I missed it. But that's okay. Dominance pulling back here. We did see Bitcoin sell off. We went over this earlier. We're not going to go over it again right now. But we did see Bitcoin sell off from 31 to 30K. It does seem like it found support here, but time will tell. Basically, as that fell, dominance fell. And what we see and what we expect to see, we just saw this on Litecoin. Alts gaining against Bitcoin in their pair. This is pushing them up since Bitcoin caught support. That's pushing them up in dollar value. Now, it doesn't have to happen all the time. If Bitcoin had dropped and just stayed sideways, we likely would have seen alts just stay more sideways. That is a big mix-up, though. I'm going to say that's a mix-up. We saw Bitcoin move up and alts move down, dominance move up. Then we saw Bitcoin move down, dominance move up, and altcoins move down. So this is actually mixing it up a little bit. I wouldn't have expected this. That's why I'm speculating it is on the BlackRock news. Maybe people that were really confident in Bitcoin that maybe weren't before, now jumping back out thinking, oh, my whole narrative is dead. I don't know. That would be my logical reasoning here. But dominance above 50%, you can even say above 48% really is the same thing. This is trending up. If it does come back down, maybe we are seeing the end of that dominance rally if it breaks its previous support around 47. But for the time being, really nothing has happened there. This is looking like a temporary pullback. Using our fib retracement, you gotta love it. The 618, it's just a golden pocket kind of day right there at the previous high. So even if it pulls back all the way to here, that would be very normal, very okay. We may see it continue up again. But what happens there, if it even makes it there, is going to be very telling about the future. Whoa. The future into the rest of this year. So watch dominance very closely. People say it's a worthless metric. They're very wrong. Dominance is an incredibly valuable metric. We used to trade, literally we used to trade based on dominance. It was like a hack. It was like a life hack. All right, on to the BCHs, because we're going to do BCH. We're going to make a new chart, because God knows how old these other ones are. I did buy some BCH, and I did tell you guys that I bought it. I'll show you the receipts, baby. Show me the receipts. It's a very Gen X thing, or not Gen X, Gen Z thing to say. Show me the receipts. All right. So we're going to do the same practice here. Highly recommend you get in the habit of doing as I'm doing here, zooming out, getting perspective, then zooming back in. There we go. BCH has had a crazy life. It was the heart of the block wars back in 17. BCH on Coinbase only, to my knowledge, traded to $4,300. I don't think anywhere else. That was some shenanigans. But it basically then fell all the way to $73, just not even a year later, it seems. Did not hit a higher high in 21. Actually hit a lower high, so that does separate it from, say, LITCOIN, which just double-topped. Double-topped. Let's put this on here. It did hit a higher low as well, so if we're going to call it weak, we also have to call it strong. About $100 up. Jeez Louise. Up from 97 this year. Now at 320. Holy shit. Okay. That's looking interesting. Bullish engulf. Upside target 525. Just looking at the half year. Let's look to the quarterly. Really the same thing. Not a lot different. Spent 1, 2, 3 quarters, and then pretty much all of this quarter down at $100 before rocketing back up. And so when we see this, when we see a reversal, what do? We use our fib tool, and wow, I couldn't have made this up if I tried, fam. What is going on today? Maybe when I'm in a good mood, when my portfolio is green, I find the golden pockets. Holy shit. There's another one. Using our 1640 high, our $87 low, our 618 retracement right there, $526. It is actually remarkable to me how many charts we've seen, and we haven't looked at many, where we look at the yearly open and the yearly closes of the last 2 years, and the 618 is sitting right there at the previous year's open. That is really interesting. $526 looks pretty good. That looks pretty good for BCH. Huh. I didn't expect this. I don't know how to feel, fam. There we go. Money flow going green. VWAP up. Interesting. Monthly MACD showing buying momentum actually for the 3rd month in a row, which would have been very hard to see with these 4 months of doji down candles. When we zoom in, we do see little bit more monthly resistance there. 384. We've already passed 285. This is interesting. This is the only efficient price action we've really had back here, March, April 22, where we just fell, went sideways. Now we're filling in that gap. So if you do end up in a late position here, which I would always warn against, don't buy the top of green candles, baby. 384, not a bad place to look to jump out of a position you don't like. Likely to find resistance there, yes. I think it is looking more like 500 is in the cards, but that might be a year from now. That might be, you don't know this timing. I think it's very likely we see something like this happen. A little consolidation in this. It's not an order block, but I'll just call it an order block on the month. Whoa. Interesting. 50 monthly moving average right here. That's kind of scary. The price is right at that 50 monthly moving average. Huh. Go to the week, baby. Nice, beautiful setup here on BCH on our moving averages coming off. Beautiful volume. Volume really cranked up here into this rally. That's a little bit more convincing than I would have expected it to be. Right out of the cloud on the week. Wow. Wow. Right out of that cloud. Let's go to the day. Yeah, just escaping all the Ichi clouds. Wow, that's spicy. Money flow up, higher high, VWAP up, momentum up, volume up. BCH is looking pretty... It's looking pretty angry. I can't say I'm a BCH fan, but I guess I'm more of a fan of BCH than many other coins. It is just Bitcoin after all. It is just Bitcoin. Let's get rid of this. Are we gonna have bearish divergence? Look at that MACD. Holy shit. It's like bull run MACD. No issues on RSI. Your highest point in price is clearly your highest point in RSI. I'm just gonna go down to really low time frames here. Really similar price action. It seems to like LITCOIN at least. We had that same sell-off, the consolidation, our move up. Our 618 actually sitting below or on the support as opposed to the resistance here. I haven't seen weakness yet, but I haven't really gotten into the chart on low time frames. But if we do, it does look like 292, maybe 299, decent places to look for entry or retracements. Just right back to the 5.5 or the 618. Right there. I'm liking that. So let's see. Actually, a little heaviness on the 5. Really similar to LITCOIN in that sense. 15 does, unfortunately, look like it's rolling over. We see lower highs in our money flow, lower lows, momentum. We do have a higher high in VWAP, but now heading back down. 15, not as weak as the 5, but still some weakness there. 30-minute has breached its lows, also looking to roll over. We see that here potentially with VWAP moving down and momentum pinching. Let's get out to the hour. There we go, just like LITCOIN. Whew, just like Bitcoin. 45-minute then flips the script. Flips the script here. Money flow setting a very clear uptrend of higher highs and higher lows. Momentum even holding off above 0. I don't love that VWAP is pointing down. Hopefully that fixes on the hour. It does not. Actually, the hour looking weaker. Breaking that low. Now potentially going for a lower high. Not ideal. Not ideal. A little bit weaker. 2 hour though trudging up. 6 hour beautiful, of course. 12 hour beautiful, of course, huh? So I do see potentially some retracement here. It might be already happening. I would really be looking in this zone. I don't know how I would really do this trade, because I'd feel better at 285. Maybe like that. Bum, 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 bum. Something like that. Something like that. I don't like that stop, though. Send it back. Oh yeah, we have to do a live trade. Did we get enough votes yet? I know there's something weird with this stream. Look at this. Look at this. What is this? Are we being suppressed? Are we being censored? We just need more engagement. I've never seen that. What is this? Maybe I lost connection. I don't know. That's okay. I don't care how many people. I don't care if no one's watching. Today is my day. Today is our day. What's up, Ali? Thank you for the 59 knock. Appreciate you. Can we look at AAVE? We can look at AAVE. Oh, it's your first super chat. Hype for you, my friend. What's up, Ollie? Welcome to our fam. Pickles is pretty. You are pretty. What's up, Greasy Tanks? LTC. We did look at LTC. We're gonna look at it again. We're not done. We're peeking at the BCHs. We did pretty in depth on the LTC, but we're not done, baby. Wow. When you look at Bitcoin Cash versus Bitcoin, wow. Look at this brutal chart. From the moment it existed, it lost value versus Bitcoin. These are 6-month candles. Down. Minus 98.1. And that's not minus 98.1 in dollars. That's minus 98.1% against Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin was $1 at the start and $1 now, this would be at 1.9 cents. Pretty wild. Kicking off that lower low on the quarter, or on the 6-month. I will say, if BCH can get back above 0.15, I guess there's a little more resistance here. We'll see it on lower time frames. Like 0.23, it has very, very clear skies above it. Let's take a look at this quarterly. Beautiful. Quarterly looks like it's going to wrap up about here, but I am seeing the argument for 0.15. That's a 50% gain against Bitcoin from where it is right now. 50%. We can look at AAV next. We don't we got to get through what we got to get through first, though. I do appreciate you. Look at this RSI in the monthly. That's insane. I don't think I ever looked at that. Now, here's your issue for sure, though. Now, I do think this is mostly inefficient price action. If it can rip through resistance, it's going to go on a bigger run than it is right now. Your issue, obviously, though, is this high is the highest point in RSI, and it is nowhere near its highs. So it is in a very dangerous position, at least when it comes to charts. It needs to really, really push higher. Really push higher. I don't even know if it's like possible for it to get rid of that bearish divergence potential. It would, I think in theory, it would have to go to a new all-time high against Bitcoin. I don't think that's in the cards. That's a lot to ask. That is interesting. Almost done. Almost done. Whoa. Whoa, what is all this? This is old TA. Yeah. There we go. That's just one fib. Let's see. Oh, I'm loving that. You gotta love that. You gotta love that. There's something about the fibs right now. The fibs are telling us something. Our measured move target right there at 0.15. Our 618 at 0.11, right under where we are. Pickle texted me. What is it, Pickle? What is it, Pickle? Cam's frozen. No! No. Well, at least I'm smiling. That's not a good picture. Let me see if I can really quickly troubleshoot this while we're live. Wait. Don't go anywhere. Use this time to smash the likes and subscribes, to join the Discord, to sign up with our sponsors, Fairdesk and Femex. I almost couldn't get their names right. Links in the video description below. I'm just going to add my video camera back. Hopefully this works. It might... Oh. I might have to, like, you know, plug it back in. Thank you, Sir Pickle. Appreciate you. Let's see. I don't know. I don't know if it'll work. It might. Huh, that seems frozen too. We might go camless. I know you all tune in for my beautiful face, but it might be a camless kind of day. Maybe not. Maybe not. I think that's frozen again. Is it frozen again? No, it's not frozen again. Guys, you just fall into a different dimension. You don't know what dimension it is. But you know it's a different one. I think it worked. Oh. Technical difficulties. technical difficulties. You'd think after 4 years of streaming, I would no longer have these, right? Well, you'd be wrong. Streaming is just like trading. It never goes to plan. You make a plan and you hope it goes to plan, right? All right, we're back maybe for now. Cam's Live, Dave. Thanks for staying with us. Appreciate you. You got derailed here, but this is beautiful. This is beautiful. It's all beautiful. Boom. Litecoin pulling back as expected. As the shorter term TA. Wow. That did not take long. Same with BCH. The weakness on the low time frames. It gets you 90% of the time. It works every time. 90% of the time. It works every time. Alright. Get my bearings back. We're going to look at AAVE in a little bit. Let's see. It's not one of the big... It is one of the big gainers. It's up 10% today. AAVE. We're going to read the tea leaves today. We're reading the tea leaves. Too much going on. This is why I made all new charts today. Yeah, we're just gonna nuke it. Let's nuke it. AAVE is also up today. Not quite like its brothers, Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash. But we'll take a look at it. 5180, your yearly 6-month support. I don't love that you don't have a higher high. I don't love that. Looking at the same analysis with Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash, 250 up here for your yearly drop, your fair value gap on the 6-month. You gotta break 116 though. You gotta have a higher high. This diverges from what we've been looking at. Wow, that's interesting. AAVE definitely diverges a little bit from Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash that we looked at, as it's still kind of in that bottom range. Like we saw Bitcoin Cash do this, and then boom, we saw it rally in like one candle here. Maybe I can pull this up, just side by side. Side by side. There it is. Saw a range, and then boom. AAVE has not done the boom yet. Doesn't mean it can't, but it hasn't done it yet. Lower highs. You didn't even have a lower low. It's weird. This is just very different. Very different than what we're looking at. Doesn't mean it can't be good. Struggling here with this $75 resistance. Not the strongest on the monthly either. Selling momentum is really, really extended here. We have 11 months of waning selling momentum. 11 months. That is a long-ass time. We have absolutely a little resistance zone here. 75 to 85. You see lots of monthlies, lots of rejections from that level. And this is all resistance stuff down here. All resistance stuff. Above like $100, you have a pretty clear range. You have a pretty clear range. You dropped, you didn't really efficiently move through the market. You just dropped from like 200 down to 50. You haven't broken your highs. You're kind of dicking around here. You're not really showing that same strength as Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash today. It could happen, but we're not seeing it yet. Even in the monthly here with 5 hours, I mean, potentially looking to close the bullish engulf above $70, but it looks like it's battling. It does look like it's battling for that. Harder than I'd like to see it at the moment. RSI, let's see, do we have any kind of divergency? Why did my RSI just disappeared? Boom. Let's make me bigger. Here we go. RSI, do you have anything for us, RSI? It could have bullish divergence on RSI, but I'm not going to call it because it's just a wick. Let's get out of the weekly. Maybe there's something else here. If you go by candle closes, you have bullish divergence. If you go by candle, just the wicks, you don't. Money flow could look to roll over. I don't love it. I don't love it, my friend. I don't love what I'm seeing. I would love to be wrong. Let's see. On the day, alright, you're coming off some divergence there on the day. Really want to see that on longer time frames, though. Why does that keep happening? Regular. There we go. Squeezed. I appreciate the super chat, Ali. I don't have much for you here. It just hasn't broken highs yet. Whenever it does, it likely will do it out of the blue, like we've seen other coins do. But it's kind of just chilling here at resistance still. I don't have an edge for you, my friend. Breaking, what, the high of 4 days ago, 5 days ago, moving up to 100, that's when I can start getting excited about this. Until then, I don't love what's going on. It looks like a flat bottom with your highs coming down. Now, one move can change that, but we just don't have it yet. I don't have it yet. I wish you the best. I mean, it did have a nice back test of its previous all-time high. That's not the end of the world. Yeah, right there. I don't have an edge for you, my friend. I wish you the best. Wish you the best, and I hope it runs to the moon for you. It runs to the moon. Alright. BCH did not quite come down as much as I was looking for yet. LITCOIN hitting our super eager trade. Speaking of that, we have how many votes? 467 votes. If we get 500 votes, we'll open. It looks like a long right now. My mic has an echo. Son of a bitch. Thank you. It's because every time I have to add the camera back for no reason, it adds it as a microphone. Thank you for the 5, man. Pickle, you should have been on top of that. And you were. I see the text. I didn't get it. I see it now. We need 30 votes and we're going to open a live trade. Tom hasn't looked at chat in 10 minutes. He must be in the basement. Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord. We have to find a way to disable the microphone on the camera. There's no reason that microphone should ever work. There's no reason. Sorry, fam. Sorry. You know, you got green. You got to pay for it with a little savagery. A little savage audio. What's up, Aaron? John Burr, TY, you're welcome. Thank you. Thank you guys for telling me. I can't hear it. If I could hear my own audio, it'd be a nightmare. What's up, Mini 007? George. How you doing, George? The sound. It's doing better now. Doing better now. Good sound now, thank you. Dave MC, you're the legend, my friend. Nunya, thank God. Sorry. Magic microphone, like day and night. LT touchdown. What up? What up? Only one reason to spy on people. Who's spying? What's up, Chingus? What's up, fam? We have 477 votes. Get 500 votes. We're going to open up a trade live on Fair Desk. And I'll just do whatever you guys, whatever you guys want me to do, I'll do it. You pick long or short. I pick the trading plan. I set it up and we execute it live. The live. Looks like this LITCOIN trade here is hanging out okay. I didn't take this one. One sec. What's happening? Does anyone else hate CAPTCHAs? I swear I'm not a robot, but sometimes CAPTCHAs make me question if I am a robot. I'm pretty sure I'm not, though. Pretty sure. All right, log into this exchange. Okay. Good stuff. We're in. 483 votes. We are struggling for those last votes. There's something weird with this stream. Like with YouTube in this stream. I don't know what it is. Let's see. Now we have 300. What is happening? It's probably from the microphone, right? Wouldn't doubt it. You failed 90% of CAPTCHAs. I feel that. What the maybe it's... Is it this? Is there lots of people? Not really. Jason Casper streamed 24 minutes ago. I missed it. Shit. I was here with you guys. That's okay. I was here with you guys. Echo is gone. Happy Friday, Dave. What's up, Canadib official? Do captures also capture internet history? I don't know, man. We're all robots. What's up, Visharts? Toe TV. That's what they all say. You want me to win the next one? We won a lot of them, actually. You guys picked long for like all of them every Friday, and long was the right choice. 7 more votes, 6 more votes. Keep hitting those reactions. I don't know if they do anything, but keep hitting them. They might do something someday. Can I hit them? Nah, it doesn't let me hit them on my own. That's lame. Why not? What if I want to like my own thing, right? What's wrong with that? Why is that so against the rules? YouTube has poopy rules sometimes. Poopy rules. Poopy rules. Alright. Alright, I've settled back down. I'm a little excited today, fam. My coins are going. My portfolio is green. We have a bunch of fam here. I don't know what YouTube's doing. It keeps like saying I'm not connected. I don't know. This is the strangest chart of viewers we've ever had. This is so strange. Like, what is this? What happened, YouTube? Tell me your secrets. Tell me your secrets. You guys are doing a great job engaging, so it's not your fault. It's probably my internet's fault. It did go out earlier. So glad to see your first stream ever. What? I'm so glad I got to see your first stream ever. Great job. You almost got it. I wonder, were you mad? Do you mean like the first stream ever 4 years ago? I'm confused. You've confused me. But thank you for the super chat, fam. Good to have you here. Lit Dog said Jason had to stop streaming because he had audio problems. What? Did he really? I'm going to message him and see if he wants to come on. Let's see if he'll come on. Come on. Yo. Come on. I messaged him. I love you, Meekers. How you doing, Meekers? Good to see you back. Buy high, sell low. Gina, my baby. Gina. Love me, Gina. Some Pit Viper and vape. Do I own a Civic? You're talking about the FBOYFRIDAY post. So I do not, and actually that's not a Civic, my friend. Close though. I mean, that's hella close. Hella close. I mean, you're right enough. This FBOYFRIDAY post, that is actually me. I don't know how old I am. I think I'm like 21, 22, 22, 23. But that is my first car ever. And that is a beautiful manual Acura Integra. My favorite car I've ever owned. I wish I could buy another one, but they don't really exist anymore. Like, you can get one with like 200,000 miles on it or something. I'm not gonna, well, maybe. That thing, mine had like 270. It was fine. I forget what happened to it. I had to retire it. Best streamer. Thank you, Buller. You're the best viewer. I had to stop the stream. Well, I messaged him. I messaged Casper. I asked him, do you want to come on, bro? Let's see. He's probably out homesteading. Probably out there plowing the fields. Plowing the wife. Giggity. What's up, Fresco, my man? You're back. How you feeling today? I have a feeling we're going to see a lot of OGs return today. Fresco, or all fried up. Huge OG here. Trump dump loot. Bitcoin heading into a 5-wave dump. I am not an Elliott wave bro. I know people who trade with it. I know people who are successful with it. I believe that any style of trading can be successful, but it's just not my style. Not my jam. Could it be? Yeah, sure. I mean, why not? When in Rome, right? Looking at just the hourly here, this volume, absurd volume. In fact, maybe the highest volume hourly all year. Let's see. Highest volume hourly. Actually, that's hella spicy. We've just discovered this live, everyone. I can't make it smaller. Let's see. We're going to do this really quick. We're going to tweet about it if so. Nah, back here in January, it looks like that one was higher. I can't make it smaller, huh? It's weird. That's what she said. That's what she said. I have to do this in a browser window. You see, here we go. I had to pull up a browser window here quick so I could do this. This is going to use all the resources on my computer. Hopefully it doesn't crash. So much resources. It's having trouble loading. Nope. All right. So it's the second highest hourly volume. More volume on this sell-off than there was in March. In March's sell-off. I have to get rid of this before it crashes everything. Second highest volume right here. Isn't that a little weird to you? Not a little weird? Right here. This little wick. This little 3% move. Highest volume. Second highest volume of the year. Right here. Huh. I don't know. I'm kind of bullish on that. I'm a little bullish on that. I need to set alerts back. Put it back up here. I'm a little bullish. We did a lot of TA on Bitcoin at the beginning, so I don't want to do too much. But I don't hate it. We got a little low of the range, broke the structure, swept liquidity, engineered liquidity even, as we had only lower highs with a flat base, basically. Engineered liquidity by pushing lower, moving back up. Like, I don't know, man. That looks pretty good, actually. I'm kind of digging it. RSI still very nicely up there. Not going to have divergence on that, but that's okay. I don't know. This doesn't look that bad. 5 hours for the weekly close. I'm kind of liking that. The lower low typically would be like a sign of weakness in the rally, but not if it gets bought up. Especially on that volume, dude. What is with that volume? What is with that? There we go. Now the viewers are like climbing back up. I don't know what's going on with YouTube today. Casper had problems, so did I. All right, we have 525 votes to long. So let's long. Let's long. We're going to end that poll. All right, what should we long? Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash. And Litecoin. Here's your options. Whew, there's your options. We're not going to need a lot of votes, just to get a little idea. What do you guys want to see me long here? We're going to pull it up. We're going to do it live. Because you choose the trades today. You choose the trades.
And now it's just like, man, you got to have that time where you just like disconnect.
This music is all right.
From the scene, just the race. Like,
can I think I can. Really need like 10, 20 votes. I just want to see what you guys want. Good, 50 votes, Bitcoin. Maybe we get 100, but it's probably going to be Bitcoin then, right? We do have the longs open, but we're always looking to open more, baby, if you guys want me to. We have 70 votes, 50% Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash picking up. At 100 votes, we'll decide. What do you want? Sol, Render, Bitcoin, Schlong, Litecoin. What's up, Pothead? What's up, Creas, Render? Sol. What do you guys want along? Put it in chat. Varishab, Dabi, BCH, get into that golden zone. Ooh, do we have a fellow chartist? Yeah, a fellow chartist in here. Whoa, where did this go? There we go. Ooh, maybe we do take this BCH trade and we put it here. Let me see quick. Okay. Rolling over. Right there. A little rough on the 10. 30 still rolling over. Ooh, this might be risky. This might be risky. Bitcoin. I kind of want to do Bitcoin Cash though, guys. I want to do the Corn Cash. Bitcoin Cash. Wow, that's an ugly 4 hour. Holy shit. You know, we'll do another one because I really want to just see how this goes. I'm going to YOLO this. It's not going to be huge. I can't. Fairdesk doesn't have it. It's hilarious. Fairdesk? What's up with that? That's all right. Our other sponsor, Femex, certainly has it. Certainly has it. All right, this will just be mine for the day. And then you guys can get yours too. Giggity goo. Hold up, wait a minute, hold up. I'll take it right there. Do like 4x. 295. It's right here. 293. 300. I don't know if I want to go now or wait. Got bull div on that one. I'm just gonna market it. Let's market it. What the fudge is up with this? I did something weird to the layout here, didn't I? Okay. Let's market. What? We'll just do one long. There we go. One long. Swipe. Wait, what? Is it $1? What the f— oh yeah, I'm an idiot. That's why. I meant to do one BCH. There we go. Where do I want to even put the stop? Somewhere nasty. T7. All right, that's mine. That's mine. No, you guys, you wanted Bitcoin. 49% Bitcoin. Fairdesk has it. It does? Why did it not? Maybe it doesn't in the copy trade. I don't know. That's weird. That's odd. All right, we got this one in. Now we got to do the corn. We'll do the corn on Fairdesk. Where do we want it? Let's calculate. Let's craft our trade. Let's craft it. Craft it. I gotta close some of these. Holy shit. I got way too many. Okay, let's go back here. Right at the 618. Where would be good? Right at 30? Right at 30? 30,060. Like that. I don't know if I trust this. Should we do 30.2? This? 2.4. I think that's all right. What do you guys think? Should I go lower? Should I go lower? Because if it comes down to 30, if it comes down to 30 again, it's just not the best. Like, it's just, I don't really know if I want to be in it then. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's not good. Something went wrong? Wait. I think I just disconnected. Okay, it says we're still on, right? Why this is not good. Do you guys see this? I mean, you're in chat, so you see it. But that's not good. That's a bad sign. Okay, cool. That could be very bad. Whoop whoop, 32.2. That's kind of what I'm looking at, yeah. 32.2, Craigton. Put halvings on the chart, mark back to prior 18 months. We could do that. But I have to do this trade first. Alfresco. Next trade. Next live trade. Let's say 300 votes because we have less. 1 long, 0 short. All right, we'll get that going on the poll again. I think 30.2 is where I'm gonna snipe it. Looks like I already have a short there. All right, limit. 32.22. I like that number, Craigton. Let's check our current positions. 0.3 long, 0.15 short. $2.2, that's a little low here. On fair desk here, we have this little consolidation on the 5. Is that there on our chart? Yeah, we do 2 over here, huh? I like that hit on RSI on the 1 minute. Ooh, but then corresponding hit on the top. Not great. Alright, that's the way I'm going to take it for now. That's the way I'm going to hit it for now. We'll leave that there. Put an alert there. Alright. Chat disconnected. Yeah, that's what it said to me. That was weird. I've never seen that before. What's up, Skinny? Dan, you're waiting for 29.2. Right on. Got me some bong. Boeing. Hype. Hype it. I got another alert. LITCOIN 105. Let's take a peek. Yep. That's not a huge alert, actually. This was the trade that I said, yeah, if you're impatient, possible, but I wouldn't take this one. Probably getting stopped out. This $100 200 weekly moving average. Oh, just not stopped out. This is a nail biter. Got the alert at 100. Yep, wrecked. All right, this is the one I said is much more logical. We might as well just even slap this one on there. What do you guys think? Should we defend the 200? Defend the 200. We have to go more long if we do this. All right. This stops hard also. 95, 96. Okay, definitely don't want 20x. Let's do 5x for this. Stop loss. 90. 96? What's 4% downside times 5? 20%. So there's 20%, so let's not put a crap ton on this. We'll do like 5. 5 Litecoins. See if the loss is on that. I would 6 500 minus 20%. $100. I'll leave $100. That's not bad. That's not bad. BCH now under. Should have waited. Should have listened to my own TA. That's the way the cookie crumbles, though. Got another alert. Nah, it's the same one. Should have gone with my own trade there. 292, but whatever. We went a little early. Has this improved? Not really. Not really. Really, not really. Okay. You choose the trade. There we go. Bitcoin coming on down to that 30.2. It's coming to fill us. Now we're leaning short with 94 votes for the next trade. Changing your mind. All right. All fried up. Wanted me, alfresco. Wanted me to look at halvings. We can look at halvings while we wait. Whilst we wait. So we'll do that. This is my yearly BLX chart. That's it. No other comment. Just OMG, Bitcoin's dead. It's dead, fam. It's dead. You can see how dead it is because it has these tiny red candles. There's 3 of them. That's why it's dead. Okay. For halvings, you want me to do it on the monthly? Can you type that again? Halvings, low, mid, 26, 28, 500, early 22 to 20, 500, 23. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's look up these dates. So we got November 28th, 2021. November 20, not 21, 2012. November 28th, 2012. Okay. Then, of course, we have July 2016. July 2016. And then we have May 2020. Everyone remembers that one. May 2020. Okay. Okay. What up? Yo, Jason, I messaged you. I messaged you on the Discords, my friend. I've been having mad troubles. Mad stream troubles. Dude, check this out, Jason.
Yeah,
what is this? What is this? Did you see this? What is this? We've been having so many weird problems. Like, look at... Oh, no. Oh, no. No. Here, look at this viewer. Look at this. What is this, Jason? Have you ever seen this? What the hell is this? YouTube's being weird. They're being shady. It's good to see you, my friend. I messaged you on Discord, asked if you wanted to come on. The man, the myth, the legend. Okay, so let me scroll up. What do you want me to look at? I have to see the original message. Were you... I'm live. I can't do a lot of put halvings on the chart. Mark back to prior 18 months. So you put them on the chart, then mark backwards 18 candles? Or forwards? Which one? Months. 18 bars. Boom. 18 bars. Damn, that is pretty good. That's pretty sexy. Ooh, that one's not the same. Here? Am I doing it? Fresco, am I here? Should message me on Discord. Make it easier. No worries, bruh. It was just a fun experiment, or a fun offer. Then extrapolate the next halving. So this one doesn't work. That's okay. Price range. To halving. I'm not quite clear on what you're looking at. I'm confused. What is it? You have to send me a message on Discord so I can have an idea. 26 to 28, 500. Or 2016 to 2018. 500%. Like, yeah, that's more. Or do you mean from the halving? I'm so lost, bro. I really want to do this. Use Chrome instead of Brave. I love Brave. I'm lost. I'm lost, Fresco. No! Alright, so our live trade filled. We got 150 votes. Need 150 more. We're going to open up our next trade. We have 2 trades that have filled already. No, Bitcoin just barely didn't fill. Lame. Lame. I opened up this BCH. It is now 13% down. Rest in peace. A little zealous on that one. A little zealous. Little. LITCOIN did not open yet. Still far down there. I'm a pickle. Do 2024 halving. I'm just not extrapolate the next halving. So from where I am just having trouble processing. Like from the halving date? 18 months? Are you talking about from like when the halving happened? 18 months? Backwards 18 months is the low. Okay. Okay, I think I have an idea of what you're saying. Maybe. Google saves a lot of cookies. Great. I use Brave. But I'm also not using it. This is actually the trading VWAP. When's the next Bitcoin halving? April 26, 2024. Ooh, the halving's moving up. It was in May originally. It was in May. So here we go. All right, we go back 18 months. That's pretty good. October. November. This is too complicated for my brain. You might know this coin, but Ren, quadruple bullish divergence on the weekly, says 10 pence. There is a low 18 months before the halving. Okay, got you. Got you. That makes sense. Makes sense. And then 500%. So that would be here. October. November would have fit better. Interesting, because it's like in 2018 as well. If we go 18 back, we see this dump candle. You had one lower candle. Kind of back here, you had one lower candle. It doesn't work before that, though. Well, it works for this one. It doesn't work on the 12 one. So this one actually was the low 18 months before. And then were you saying 500% to the halving? That might work. 300. 300. I guess I'm not like figuring out where. So what's interesting, I see 380, 300, almost 80. And what's interesting, I don't know if this is even what you're going for, but if we look at that again, like 300, let's say 180, 340, let's say like 300%, right? 300% puts us like right back at the all-time high this time. What's interesting here is a 300% gain off of the bottom has never been really close to the all-time high before. That's because we've seen 85% retracements from our high. We did not see an 85% retracement, at least so far. I don't think it's coming personally. But we did not see an 85% retracement. We saw a 77% retracement from 69K. Now that maybe doesn't sound different. It doesn't sound like a big difference. That's maybe because you don't think in percents enough. That's a huge difference. That's massive. Massively different. Because we retraced so shallowly from 69K, if we get that same move, and we can even say, even if it's smaller, say it's only 300%, that brings us right back to 69, which is wild. This is wild. Because that would be in line with the other moves we saw in the previous bear markets. Uh-oh. 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 LTC drop. BCH drop. LITCOIN's alright, though. It's actually holding on pretty good. It's right back to the high before the dump. That's not bad. It's not a bad place to hold. We were looking a little lower for an entry. BCH, our entry was pretty good. My trade, I was too impatient. Let's get rid of that. Nope. It's too impatient, but that's still looking pretty good too. Right back to the 618. Opened. Filled. Done. Now we have 600-ish viewers. People are coming in. I'll take it. Today's a spicy, spicy day, fam. I thank you for being here. We're going to take another live trade based on your votes. We just need a few more votes. We have 600 viewing. We have 170 votes. We can get 300 votes. And then we'll take our next live trade. You choose the trade. We only have 340 thumbs ups. Can we get more likes? We need to get 420 likes. It is of utmost importance on this Friday to get 420 likes. It's so critical. It's critical. Really quick, let's look at some stats here on CoinGlass. Dominance down. Dollar also down into this. Gold slightly up. Bitcoin exchange balance slightly up. Fear and greed at 56, so pretty neutral. 24-hour change. See a little coins coming back on in 24 hours. However, in the monthly change, Binance down almost 40,000 Bitcoin. Coinbase up 10. So net 27, net 30. Whoa, holy shit. Gemini plus 43. Lots of Bitcoin going to Gemini. Really, it's likely just the fleeing of Binance. Kraken minus 10. Is there a total net? Yeah, there is. Here we are. All right. Since 22, all of 22, we saw balances on exchange drop. Weirdly, May 8th of this year, they dropped to 1.7 million for no reason. I guess we're only at 1.8, so it's not huge. But balance by exchange, bleeding down. Bleeding down. Fear and Greed moving up after hitting its all-time low, I believe, in June of 22. Not its all-time low in price. Interesting, sentiment began moving back up, even though price continued to hit lower lows. Very interesting. But still pretty much at neutral for the moment. Funding rates. BCH still minus 1.57. Likely meaning BCH not out of fuel yet. Bitcoin relatively neutral, a little heavy. Relatively neutral. BCH across the board, negative funding. I find it hard to imagine that it continues to go down. Not with funding this heavy. Looks like 100,000 XEC is the lowest funding. Across the board, pretty much. Not a lot there. Not a lot there. LITCOIN chillin', BCH chillin', AAVE chillin'. Jeez, we went from mega spicy to lots of YouTube problems. Now to a little bit chilled. Everything pulling back on the gains it made today. LITCOIN only up 23% for the day. Bitcoin Cash only 20%. In the last hour, just retracement on Bitcoin Cash. Looks like a retracement on Ethereum Classic. We didn't even look at Ethereum Classic. Maybe we should. Not the prettiest. Not the prettiest. Weird. Monthly Ethereum Classic, meh. Double bottom on Ethereum Classic at 1243. Higher low on money flow, VWAP's up. I'm not seeing that same bullishness though. Honestly, kind of reminding me of AAVE that we just looked at. Digging these tunes, man. Daily looks good. Daily looks kind of primed for some upside, but not a lot there. Not a ton. Volume's up, but it's not anything really to get excited about. Oh, that candle has some big volume. I do like this setup. I do like this setup on the hourly. All right. We saw this on Bitcoin on like the 5-minute before it started rallying a few weeks ago. Our lows coming up here, you have this nasty wick. Now you don't have a higher high, that's okay. All you need is to not break that low. If these lows continue to get respected, that is a pretty classic send it move in crypto. You can see it with like the strong move up, the sharp pullback, but as long as it keeps those lows, I'll show you on Bitcoin where I saw this and commented in the Discord, which I recommend you join. That holy shit, we haven't seen this kind of price action in a while. Let's see. Where did this happen? Where was it? Was it here? No, it was all the way back here, wasn't it? Having trouble finding it. I'll have to look in the Discord. No, it was right here. Huh. This kind of... Yeah. Nah, scratch that. I'll find it. I don't want to show you the wrong thing, and I don't want to spend forever looking at it. Let's get enough votes so we can take the second trade. We need some more spice. I'll show you my crappy Bitcoin cash buys. Here we go. Really just dumb buys here. Markets limits. Not a huge amount either. Let's see. Executed. This was 1.78 BCH. Meh. It's like an average price of like 140, 150 maybe. First buys were at 137. Second buys 230. Doing pretty good on those. Doing pretty good. I bought BCH right there. Right there. 135 right there. You going to bounce here, but you feeling okay? Interesting green dot here on the 5 right there. 15's still rolling over though. And 30's still looking not so hot. Three minutes till this hourly closes. All right. I feel better about it. What up, Jag and a Crack? How you doing, bro? Barbaric Puma. What do I see in Nexa charts? I've never even looked at them. I don't know what that is. You'd like to help her get there, Coins Chick. You poor dog. Wait, what's wrong with your dog? No. More dogs, less people. I back that up, Gary C. More dogs. Meekers hates KDA. Diamond formation. Thank you, Fresco. Thank you, my friend. That's the words I was looking for. That's the words. It is a little diamond. Yeah, it is a little diamond. You went from a low to a high. You broke your range low, broke your range high. Haven't really identified diamonds in a while. Don't know why. Haven't been on the mind. Something like that. Yeah, like this. You just got to see those lows coming up. Man, the spice has lulled. I should have gone live earlier. We did catch some of it, though. Apple breaking the new all-time highs today. Go Apple. Bitcoin maybe filling our thing. 206, but you know what? We're just going to put in another long. I'm not waiting. I'm not waiting. Another ill-advised long. Let's do it. Okay. Do it on the corn. 322 hasn't filled yet. I think I'll take just at like 29.9 as well. Yeah. Yeah, that is a deep stop. Let's do it a little lower. 29.8. Let's do a little bottom fishing on this one. 29.8. Stop. That's such a big downside. Oh well. 29.4. There we go. Here's a little landmine field of orders. You guys choose the trades here on the best channel in the world ever. No exception. These are the trades we have open. These are the trades we don't have open that are sitting there as limit orders. You guys have been picking longs every Friday. And they have been the right choice, actually. In hindsight, they've all been the right choice. So well done, fam. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. LITCOIN's being a dick, not filling us at 100. At least not yet. BCH filled. And now maybe bouncing. The hourly is about to roll over. That's the only real confidence I have here. We have 6 seconds. And the hourly is about to close. I'd like to see some buyers come in. Push this back up a little bit. 1 second. Okay. Hourly closed. Good stuff. Good stuff. Now we can maybe see a little change of fortune. A little change of fortune? A little bit. Maybe not. That. Lots of long liquidations. Wow. Wow. Okay, where's my thingy? It says, okay, somehow I closed the tab. Now we have 700 viewers. I don't know what's happening. This is the strangest viewer graph I've ever seen. Look at this crazy viewer graph. What is happening? YouTube, are you pranking us, YouTube? I think YouTube's pranking us. Look at this. What is this? What even is this? This is like more volatility than the charts right now. What even is that? I don't know. I don't know. What else should we do today? Oh, ETC. Okay, that's what I was looking at. Okay. Close a bunch of these. It's like everything is just waiting. No, Litecoin, don't give up your sweet, sweet gains. Don't do it. Don't do it. GBTC actually looking good, closing a green weekly here as well. Let's look at this 6-monther. Boom. GBTC looked weirdly bullish, and it did. GBTC might be heading back to 35. Let's see. 30, 35, not bad. Nice bullish engulf. I'll take it. It's like a total. We haven't looked at total in a bit. Total crypto market cap. Solid 6-month candle coming to a close in 5 hours. Would be a little nicer to move up above 117, but is what it is for now. Quarterly wrapping up as a doji, not the best. Don't love that. Don't love that doji. Just a little bit higher. I hear a subscriber, so we're gonna get a little bit higher. What's up, Oliver Aro? I missed Pranay Pandy as well. Subscribing. Keep subscribing, guys, if you're new here. We're live all the time. We're publishing content all the time. Trading live, taking our trades from the viewers, and just generally having a good time. Not as strong in the month. This kind of sucks. So next 4 hours, I'd really like to see total move back up above 1.16, 1.17. Everything else in a bullish engulfing monthly, except for total right now. Everything else pretty identical with the lower low, same kind of structure. Weird. I did not expect to see that today. It's like struggling. Far above the 200 weekly, found support there, it seems. Bounced back up, now struggling at that monthly engulf. Still looks good. Above the 200 weekly, I'm looking bullish. Below, I'm looking bearish. Nothing's changed there. Really consolidating. Wow, below 1.17. Daily looking okay with the higher low and money flow. Bounced off the 200 daily in March, and then again this month. Broke past this consolidation range. It's weird that it's just weird to me. It looks like it should be higher. Wonder what's holding it back. A little bounce, huh? Something tells me there's going to be more spice. Though the last few Fridays we've had the big moves, and then the weekends have not really delivered. That might be what's happening again. It's you. What's up, Simon Lied? Who's Simon? QNT is a spiky pattern. Do it? You got some new names here. What's up, Bentley, Captain Gary, Charles Eshba, Chris Dan, Kiko, Albuquerque. Kush is my clone 810. What up, Kush? What up, Kush? What's up, Minnie? Oliver Aro. Simon Lied, of course. And Koala Gamer, you're here all the time, but it's good to see you, my friend. What have people even been saying to look at? Like, QNT? My computer. YouTube is being very weird today. Hello from Estonia. What's up? I love Estonia. I was just there. Love Estonia. QNT kind of does. It does have the push up and the move back down, but that move back down was actually lower. I mean, I'll give this to it. If it continues to hold these lows, yes. But with this price action behind it, I don't hate it. I don't love it. It's not my favorite. Check the 6 month. Pull a fib on that YouTube chart. Fibs out. You forgot to smash the like button. No worries, my friend. It's been a weird stream. Lots of issues. Lots of weird issues today. But my bags are green. My face has a smile on it because of that. Let's look at XRP here quick. Give it the old 6 month treatment. XRP, 82, 83 cents for that yearly open. Nice little reversal there. Higher high on your half year chart. Not looking bad. Quarterly looking to close. I mean, you really do want to close, in my opinion, above 48.1. It's at 47.3. 5 hours ago, totally possible. You want to really flip that resistance to support on the quarterly. As you're doing on the monthly. This is actually looking really Wyckoff-ish on a monthly time frame. If we only look at these candles, you have the lows, you break your low, you move up to your range high, and then you consolidate into an SOS. That's actually pretty spicy. Monthly money flow and VWAP and momentum coming up. Okay. So I like this chart. I mean, I don't know if I love XRP, but I like this chart. I like it. You have a flat top at like 50 to 52 cents, we'll call it. Your lows are coming up. If this were inverted, this would look hella bearish, right? It would look like it's trying to move down here. 80-ish cents. And where is 80-ish cents? Right here. That's the yearly open. Pretty much the target of everything we've looked at today is that yearly fair value gap right up there, 83 cents. That's my target for XRP this year. I mean, it can't go higher, but that's where I'm looking. That's where I'm looking. $666 watching. Man, and nothing's moving. What time is it? 3. Holy shizzle. We've been live for a while. You know what, guys? I feel as if we're going to see more spice this weekend. As we see this monthly come to a close in 5 hours. And we have the weekly coming to a close on Monday. Well, not on Monday, on the 2nd. 2 days. I think we're going to see a lot of spice in the next 2 days. We're probably going to end up being live again. Here are the trades on Bitcoin you guys have picked out for me to take today. We opened up 2 limit longs. Neither have filled yet, unfortunately. 2 limit longs. Neither have filled. What else do we have open? We have a long on LITCOIN at 100 unfilled. We took a long on BCH because we're just maniacs. Wait, did it get stopped out? Oh yeah, I took it on Femex because I couldn't find it there. Why is this so janky? It's because I'm all zoomed in. Here we go. Took it long on BCH. Slightly underwater. Took it at 300, now at 296. Hoping that doesn't reject from there. We've opened up some trades. This was a very strange stream. Had some issues, but it's a spicy day. My portfolio's green. I'm feeling good. It is Friday. The best day of the week, right? More spice ahead, I have a feeling. But I think for today, guys, make sure to check out our sponsors. Links in the video description below. Sign up with Fairdesk and Femex. You'll get some sweet deposit bonuses, and you'll help the stream out. Make sure you subscribe and like. I think we'll be live again tomorrow. I have this weird feeling. Or maybe even we'll be live into this close tonight at 8 p.m. Keep your eyes peeled. Join the Discord. It's the best way to know when we go live. Follow me on Twitter. I love you.